Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So we have 3 easy and simple ways here for us to recover. Now all you have to do is go to your settings. This is the first one. Tap on notifications. Make sure that it's on. Notifications for WhatsApp, it's on so that you can time to time see the notifications right away if there's a message coming. Now these both works for Android users and iPhone users. So this is how it will look like if you allow all of your notifications from your lock screen to your notifications entry and to everything. Now, the second way for us to retrieve or see our deleted messages is for you to go to your settings once more on your WhatsApp application and tap on chat. Now you can see there the chat backup. Now just tap on it for you to download all the messages that was recently deleted, or probably the messages that you have received or missed from previous days or weeks or even months. So just tap on chat backup. You can auto back up your chat history, or you can just also include videos if you want to, and you can just tap on it and start backing up. So that's the second way for you to retrieve or see your deleted messages on WhatsApp. So if you're unsure whether you have deleted it before the specific period of time, then all you have to do is just try the process that we have in this video and see if you can still retrieve even if you have deleted for the long days already. So basically that's only the 2 ways that I'm going to teach you for today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.